Salutations to all of you. In this video, we are going to see the secrets of time management part 3. If you have not seen the previous two videos which discuss about the secrets of time management, which is part 1 and part 2, I have given the link in the description as well as in the iCard. You can go and watch the videos. Then you can come to this video and watch the video so that you get the continuity of what has been stated. In the previous two videos, we discussed about 5 main time killers. One is unwanted time scream. The second one is friends or people who are in relationship. The third one is family, including spouse, children, parents, and other relatives. And the fourth one is social aspects. Fifth one is inefficient colleagues, employees, employers, and or inefficient juniors, seniors, who practically make your work much more complicated. And the major classification of time killers are personal, family, social, official, and psychological. The first 4 we have already discussed in the previous videos. And now in this video, we are going to see the psychological factors which drain your time. The major psychological factors which are time killers are mentioned hereafter. When we respond or we give opinion or discuss on things which are unnecessary or unconnected aspects to any constructive issue or to our goal, or if we let somebody respond to us or give their opinion or discuss on these aspects. So these opinions could be, or these discussions or responses could be on individuals, politics, cinema, general entertainment, which are absolutely unnecessary or unconnected to our goal. And in fact, they take you away from your goal and drain your time away. The next is, if you have these things, or if there are people who have these things around you, just avoid those people who drain your time away by seeking or asking you to give an opinion, or they give an opinion. In all these situations, you try to avoid those people. And in case if you cannot avoid them, then what you do is you can create excuses, and using those excuses you can escape from them and use your time for better purposes for achieving your goal. If you are personally seeking opinion, or if you are giving opinion, or if you are discussing unconnected aspects, then better you stop it for your own good. Please understand that all opinions or responses about us by other people are always subject to change. So you please don't bother yourself much about all those aspects, whatever you say or whatever you hear. When you become negatively emotional or negatively egoistic, that could also drain your time. Imagine if you are highly emotional in a negative sense, and your time could be used by others. For example, a person could instigate you against a society or an individual and make you act according to his own whims and fancies, which in turn will drain your time and ruin your career as well. Alternatively, they could also misuse your skill. Imagine you are a scientist. They could ask you to invent something which could cause a great damage to the world or to the ecology. So these things could ruin your career. Next, if you are highly egoistic, you could obviously waste your time satisfying your ego. Majority of our time will be spent on satisfying your ego. So that is again a time drain. And in this case, what happens is you don't understand the truth behind the aspect, and you never try to find a solution, but you find solution for satisfying your ego and not the problem. Next is the practical solutions for all these aspects. Just visualize in which scenario you'll be sitting if you do some work or if you do some act when you are affected emotionally or when you are highly egoistic. Imagine somebody is instigating you and you cause harm to some person, and that person gives a police complaint. You'll be sitting in jail. So if you could just visualize this aspect, you could ensure that it doesn't happen, so that your emotion gets drained away. So next aspect is, when somebody is praising you or when somebody is accusing you, never take it to your head. Just treat both of them in the same way. By that you'll get a balance, which in turn will help you use your time effectively. Then what you can do is you can calculate, or you can even imagine the mental, physical and financial loss you or others would incur when you do some act based on negative emotions or ego. And understand one thing, you need to be a driver of your life. Don't let others drive your life. If you permit them to do so, it will be they who will be deciding your life or your destiny. There are certain bad habits which could actually drain your time. They are selfishness. If you have self-interest, it is a positive aspect. But if you are selfish, it is a negative aspect. Greediness. Getting addicted to things which are not purposeful or useful, or which will not help you in achieving your target. Next is acting crooked. It could be like cheating, impersonation, etc. And sometimes being over explanative or less explanative could also drain your time. Next one is gossiping. And the last and final one is purposeless talking. So you should understand that when you're selfish, you ruin your future prospects. If you're not helping somebody, you cannot expect that person to help you back. So you should understand that human beings are social beings. So it is essential that they grow along with the society. So please ensure that you are not selfish. Next, about greediness. Imagine if a farmer hoards all his produces for getting more money, being greedy. Practically we all will get nothing. It is not just a scenario of one farmer. What if it extends to other farmers as well? Hence, being greedy would entirely ruin a community. And next one is addictions. Addictions can be pertaining to alcohol, smoking, even watching serials, gaming, and even other vices. Just you need to imagine what are all the damages it could cost you: health, wealth, mental peace. This will ensure that you don't get caught into some addiction. If you are crooked, someday you will meet a person who is better crooked than you, and at that time you will become a prey to him. So it's better to avoid being crooked from the beginning itself. When you over explain something, or when you explain less than what is required, then that could again drain your time. If you over explain, you spend your time on explaining, and if you explain less than what is required, then you don't get the required outcome or output. Gossiping practically fetches no benefit to any of the parties. It does not benefit the person who is saying it or the person about whom something is said. So it's better to avoid gossiping, since it is of practically no use and it will not help you in achieving your goal. And in some cases, purposeless talking happens, which practically ruins or wastes your time. Therefore, before speaking, just ask a question to yourself as to whether the talk is required. Since many viewers have asked for different videos, I'm leaving the decision to you viewers to decide as to what should be the next video. You can vote and decide the next video. Voting link for the next video is given in the description. If you like the video, please do subscribe and select all, so that you will be the first person to receive the video when it is being published. Do press the thumbs up button, share this video to the people who are in need and help them to come up in their life. Do comment on the video if you feel like I have left something in this video, or if you want me to put some video on some particular subject, please do leave that in the comment. Let us contribute for a better learned society. and I really thank you for your increasing support by way of subscription and views and comments. Do support the channel and please do subscribe. Thank you.